Welcome back to the Piktochart channel. I'm Seth from the Pikto team, and today I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how you can actually use the background remover in Piktochart. So to start with, in our dashboard, you can hit Create AI Visual, and you will see that we have all of our different AI tools here: image generator, icon generator, logo, image modifier, upscaler, restorer. And this is what we're going to do today. We're going to use the background remover. And it's pretty simple. I have a downloaded file here which you can't see. All you really have to do is drag and drop, and it will upload. And once it's uploaded, automatically it just removes the background for you, just like that. Now let's look at a more practical use case for the background remover. So I'm on Reddit in r/Photoshop request, and this lady, AmountSlow4932, thank you for, if you're seeing this, don't mind me using you as an example. Can you make the background white? There's two pictures, whichever one is easier to manipulate. In order for us to make sure that this is a passport size photo, we need to make sure that it is in the correct size, and that is 600. So you can just click here, custom size, 600 by 600. And it'll create a blank dashboard for us. Put this in here. As you can see, we've already had it uploaded. And then we need to remove the background using our AI background remover. And just like that, this has a removed background on a white image. And obviously we can make it a little bigger so it is aligned with passport proportions, because you need some overhead height. And if you ever need the background to be a different color, you can just change everything accordingly. And that's how you can use the background remover. Thank you so much for watching. If there's something you'd like to see us do in Pikto that you don't know how to do yourself, put it down in the comments and we might make a video for it next week. Bye bye.